Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Volkswagen Touareg all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.0-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white. It looks awesome. You've got that Volkswagen badging up front with your projector-style headlights and your fog lights with your parking sensors just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. There's lots of tread left on them, and they are 19-inch rims as well. They look great. You do have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that Touareg badging as well as the Volkswagen and the TDI. Now you can open it up just right here. It is an automatic open as long as it's unlocked. Lots of room back here as well, very spacious. You got this guy that can fold down so that you can keep your stuff nice and private. You also have your spare tire just underneath there, and these guys right here do fold down the seats, and then this one does bring this down. Our keys here. So on this one we do have our remote start, and on this one we have our lock. That one opens up the back, and our unlock as well as our panic. Well, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Got them down here, up here, and then you have your seat memory here. That one does open up the back. Then you got some storage down here. Looks fantastic in here. The brown leather looks very nice. You do have the controls over the seats right here, so your tilt and your lumbar support and all that. And then up here we do have the controls over our lights, so our off, auto, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights there, and in-cabin light control right there. And then up here we do have our controls over our turning signals, our high beams, and our cruise control. Now there is two different ways to start it up. You can put the key in there and turn it, or there is a push to start button as well. Now, in the center, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now right in the center does also tell us right now what channel we're on, as well as how many kilometers we have and the temperature outside. But we can switch it around to our telephone, our vehicle, our assistance, and then we also have our navigation, and then there's all sorts of different options through there as well. Now right here we do have control over our volume as well as our Bluetooth options, and then we have our horn in the center, and then those options change the guy in the middle. We have our windshield wiper control right here, and then in the center we do have our touchscreen display. So you have your heated steering wheel up here as well as your park sensors. Then you have your hazard lights there, and you got your touchscreen display here. It looks very nice as well. You can switch it all around. We do have our FM, AM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you got your media tab right over here if you do have one hooked up through your hard disk drive, your SD, your CD, or your aux cord, as well as Bluetooth. You got your phone options here if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth, as well as your climate control right over here. And then we do have our navigation here. It looks very nice, as well as your traffic button, your car, and your setup as well. Now when you are in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe right there. And then down here we do have our controls over our climate. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold, as well as you have your max AC, your heated seats, your sync. Then you also have your AC, you have your mode, your rest. Then you also have the power there, and then the other side you got your gear shift here. You also have the other way to start it up, which is the button. You have your park brake, and then you also have some storage just in there, traction control. You have your different mode options there, and then you got some cup holders here, and then this guy does open up from both sides, so you can have different levels or different options. And then over here we do have a locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you got some light control and the control over your sunroof, which is a dual sunroof. It is huge and it looks fantastic. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you got your handle, you got another handle, and you got the control over windows as well as some storage down here. It looks awesome in here as well. Very spacious. Same material as the front. You can fold this guy down right here, and you got your armrest as well. You got a little bit of storage just there, and these seats do fold forward as well. Here's our 3-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2015 Volkswagen Touareg. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.